little ends, beauty babes? So right now I'm going to be doing my final Halloween makeup tutorial for this year. I am really happy with all the looks I did this year. I'm very impressed with myself. But the last look that I am going to be doing is a unicorn. That's not that exciting, but I was in Walmart the other day and I was like, I want to do one more look for Halloween. So this video will be posted on Halloween. I was trying to think of something that I haven't done, and I thought a unicorn would be really cute as like an easy makeup look if you guys are trying to do a last minute makeup look. But I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. Comment what you guys think of this unicorn makeup look. And leave a comment down below. And leave me ideas of, after this final Halloween makeup look, what you guys want to see on my channel. Because I definitely got to start brainstorming again. Because this month was tremendously fun to do a bunch of makeup looks, but I think I gotta keep, give my skin a break for a little bit. But yeah, leave a comment with video ideas. So without further ado, let's get this. Okay, so I'm gonna obviously set my face with foundation first. So I was trying to like look up ideas of what colors like a unicorn is, and this, that, and a third. So it's like purple, blues, pinks. So I want to do like a smoky look on my forehead. Like I want to do like a contour smoky look on my face. I'm going to show you guys the kit I bought. I'm going to definitely do it my own way though. Like how I want to do my makeup. What I did to my nose, guys, but I heard it and it is killing me. Like as I'm pressing down on it, it hurts. Okay, so this is gonna probably be a talk one because I've been like speeding up my videos where it's like easy to watch and like simple, but I want to do this like a talk one. So before I do my eyeshadows and like stuff like that, I want like what exactly I want to do. Okay guys, I'm gonna suggest, because I am obsessed with this one beauty blender. It is super squishy, okay? It's easy to like pat down the concealer, the foundation, whatever it is. Like this is squishy, but this one is hard. And I don't like the hard ones for some reason. Like I noticed that it definitely makes my makeup look a lot different. I feel like the squishier ones definitely help out a lot. Concealer on any red blemishes that I have, because I want to look cute. This is going to be my first unicorn makeup look. I'm actually excited to do this. I'm not that girly girl type, but I've been trying to do more unique looks this year. Like I'm usually doing special effects more because I enjoy that a lot more during this time of season, but I want to do something different this year, so I wanted to switch it up. So I'm going to look up, before I start doing the rest of my makeup, I want to look up eyeshadow looks just